Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about mechanism in instrumentation mechanism. So let us start. What is mechanism? Mechanism is a part of a machine which is used for certain operations. We can also call it a simple machine. And what is machine? If there are two or more than two mechanisms combined together for a particular operation, we can call it a machine. In simple words, any object which makes our work easy, that is called a machine. So what is mechanism? A simple machine is a mechanism, and there can be a machine of two or more than two mechanisms. So that is the difference between both of them. And one is instrument. Instrument is a device which is used to measure the data which is coming out from a machine. So basically instrument is also a device or a machine, but it is especially designed to measure the data only. By the help of instrument we cannot get any manufacturing output. So instrument is majorly used to get only the data. And one is terminology is tool. What is tool? It is an object which is used to extend the ability of an individual to modify features of the surrounding environment. Basically tool is an object which is not a machine. It is a part such as a rule, a nail, hammer, a screw, which helps to done certain operations. So these are the terminology related to it. Now today we will focus about instrument mechanism. Now we have discussed about what is instrument. What is the example of instrument? Such as if we have to measure the output, performance output of a machine, we will need an instrument such as a sitar, a guitar. Our vocal voice is also act like an instrument. Why? By the help of it we can measure the voice level. So basically it's an instrument. Instrument is also used to measure. We can, by the help of instrument we can do lots of things, such as to measure the weight, to measure the velocity, pressure, temperature, and lots of properties are there. In simple words, in banks, a simple paper also called an instrument. Why? Because it have some data, and according to the definition of instrument, any machine or any mechanism which is used to collect the data, that is an instrument. So that is the difference between instrument, machines, tools, etc. Now what is mechanism? Instrument mechanism. As we have already discussed, mechanism is a simple machine. By the help of we can get a certain type of operation as per our requirement. If we combine two or more than two mechanisms in a particular system, that is called a machine. But that will not be a simple machine. A simple machine is only a one mechanism. So today we will discuss about various mechanisms, or we can also say that we will discuss about simple machines. So basically there are 6 simple machines. So we will discuss one by one in very short. The first one is lever. It is a hand operated system. As we know that in mechanical machines, lever is used to switch on or switch off the machine. So basically it is a simple mechanism, but we can also call it a simple machine. The second is wheel and axle. In any vehicle or automobile, there definitely there will be a wheels and axle related to it. So it is a mechanism, or we can say it is a simple machine which is used for motion. The third one is pulley. In pulley, we can lift a particular weight by less effort, as we used it in to collect the water from the wells. So pulley is a simple mechanism or a simple machine which is used to reduce the effort and which is used to lift the weight. Now the fourth one is inclined plane. Suppose we have to lift the weight, but we can also done it by the help of inclined plane instead of pulley. So definitely it will be a simple mechanism or a simple machine. The next one is wedge. Wedge is used to cut. It is a type of tool, or it is a type of simple mechanism or machine which have a one tool at the one end and wooden log at the other end, and it is used to cut large pieces of wood. And what is it? The one end is very sharp and the another end is thick, so due to which it helps to cut heavy wooden logs easily. So it is also a simple machine. Sometimes we called it a tool also. And the last one is screw. As we seen in a screw jack, at the center there is a screw which helps to lift the heavy weights. So screw can also be used to lift heavy weights by very less effort. So these are the basic simple machines and mechanism which we have discussed. The first one is lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, wedge and screw. Definitely we will discuss it in detail in the next session. That's for all today. Thanks.